Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we will show you how to remove and replace brake rotors, front brake rotors, and these brake pads on Dodge Charger, guys, or Dodge Magnum right here that we have. That probably should cover the generation from 05 to 2010. You can see we have the rotor out of this one. This is our parts car. We had that thing turned not too long ago. We're using it as a parts car, and this one has a pulsation when you hit the brake, vibration in the steering wheel. So we will install that rotor here now. So in the meantime, guys, we recommend using brand new parts. Okay, we said it, so even if you leave a comment that we didn't use, we're using a used rotor, but you have to use a new rotor or turn your rotor and use brake pads, new brake pads. We'll show you how to replace them now. When you install newer pads, you will need to compress the piston inside the caliper. So you can get a tool, they sell them. If you don't want to have one, we'll show you how to do it. You can get a screwdriver, okay, between the pads and the rotor. Okay, right there, and we're going to compress the caliper. That way, when we remove them, we will have enough room to install the new parts. The tool, you can actually, if you're in the US, you can get it from O'Reilly, borrow it for free to use it, and return it when you're done. Now we need to remove those metal retainers here, so we can remove the brake rotor out of there. So we're going to open those just a little bit so we can pull it out, and those are not so easy to remove. Sometimes they get caught in the thread, but that's what they're supposed to do. Okay, one is out. Now we're working on the second one, and stay with us to show you guys what you need to do after brake replacement so you don't wreck your car. Okay, we removed that one. Now we need to use a 13mm socket, okay, to remove those bolts right there. You can see that car was sitting for a long time. It was sitting for about a year, and it has quite a bit of rust on the rotors, and when we drove it, it was terrible. It was vibrating like that, the steering wheel, when you hit the brake at higher speed. So we need to remove the one on the bottom there as well. Two bolts, one here, one on the bottom. Get those loose. That's the one holding the caliper to the mount. So let's go ahead and remove it now. And you need to get a heavy duty zip tie, guys, or baling wire or something, doesn't matter what it is. And you need to tie the brake caliper now. Okay, you see, and that one is stuck pretty good. That's crazy. I told you the car was sitting for a long time. Okay, like that. Then you need to tie it for the suspension so it's not hanging on its wire, because if it's hanging on the wire, it's on the brake line right here, it can damage it. And if you leak braking fluid, you have no brakes, which could be pretty bad. Okay, that's perfect there now. And we're going to remove the brake pads. You can use well, actually we'll go ahead and okay, so we're going to remove the brake pads now. Okay, you can see the brake pads are good. It's good to get sandpaper and redo them if you need to, because they got a little bit shiny, you can see. And when you buy new brake pads, try to get them with the new shimmers here as well. That way everything is new, they will slide back and forward really nice, because if you have quite a bit of brake dust and corrosion formed there, they might not perform as well. Okay, getting the two bolts now loosened on the back. That's for the bracket, and this one is with a 18mm socket. in our case. Okay, we removed one bolt, now second bolt. Almost there. And the whole bracket for the caliper will come out, that way we can pull the rotor out of there. Okay, now never hit the rotor on the back. Okay, so now if it's stuck, you can get a hammer and slightly tap it here. Okay, and it came loose. Never hit the rotor from the back because you're gonna crack them. If you're replacing, it's fine. Okay, you can see where the brake pad was laying here, and that rest that was formed, and that's causing our vibration. It's wrapped, it's not nice like this one. So we'll just go ahead and don't install, once you have the new ones, don't put them on the concrete floor like that. Put a cardboard or something, because that will scratch them. Okay, and we're going to install those retainers now to hold the brake roller there. Next thing, we will install the bracket, and once we get the two bolts tight, get those tight pretty good, we're going to install the brake pads. Okay, getting the bolts tight now, and probably it's good to use thread lock on those as well. If you have some, it's really good, so you know that they won't get loose from vibrations. Now we can go ahead and cut the zip tie. But let's go install the brake pads first. So you just slide them in. Super simple design. Okay, the one right here now. Okay, like that. Imagine you're installing new ones, guys. I know we'll get some negative feedback, but hey, it's our car. They came out of a parts car that was serviced about a month ago. Okay, right there now. And we need to get those two tight now on the back there. And once we get those tight, they're not too big. You can find the total specs online. Okay, 13mm socket there. And now, guys, it's very important to do something. Now you have that play right here, which means the first 5, 6, 10 times you hit the brake pedal, you won't have brake. So now you need to go inside your vehicle, hit the brake, okay, until it compresses all the way. Okay, and now let's see if it's holding. Okay, it's holding. So you make sure it's holding, and then you're ready to go. So that's perfect. So that will be the whole procedure, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Many more videos to come. Please subscribe. Let's grow that channel together. It means a lot to us, and we can help more people that way and save people some money. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.